When the door comes out of the machining center, flip the jamb so the hinge jamb is closed. Position the door so that the head end is approximately 1 inch past the rollers. This will allow enough room for the stop on the head without moving the door too far up to clamp correctly. Step on either of the foot pedals to clamp the hinge jamb in place. Position the head jamb in place. Step on the foot pedal nearest to the head end of the door. This communicates to the 540 which side is the head of the door and which side to clamp. Position the strike jamb along the side of the door and engage the dado with the head. Step on either foot pedal when the strike jamb is in the correct position. If a jamb is out of place when it is clamped, push the undo button so that the amber light is on. Step on the pedal to unclamp and reposition, then step on the pedal again to reclamp. When the machine is ready to fire the staple guns, the green light will appear on the gunfire button. If the jambs are positioned correctly, press the gunfire button and the guns will lift into position and staple the unit together. Step on either of the foot pedals to unclamp the door unit and lift it up to the exit height. The door can then be pushed out onto the outfeed rollers or lifted off the machine. When the door unit is completely off the machine, you will need to reset the machine for another door. Step on either pedal or push either machine reset button. For bottom clamping, you have 3 options. When the selector is off, the head clamp at the foot end of the door will not move. When the selector is set at 6/8 or 8/0 position, the head-up stop will not pop up before the jambs are bottom clamped. If at any time you would like to interrupt the cycle and start over, press one of the machine reset buttons.